Good night, teacher Angela. Manuela Beltrán, University, virtual modality. Subject, intermediate English. Activity, worldwide, the future hall for use, foreign. Teacher name, Garzón Ángela. Student name, Ramírez Carlos Julio. Bogotá, October 2018. Current approximate population in Bogotá. The National Administrative Department of Statistics and Screening Tariff of Planning estimates that the population of Bogotá, which today votes on 80 million, grow by 100,000 inhabitants each year. That is to say that by 2023 we are around 80,380,000 people on the city. Urban area. It has a total of 1,336 kilometers quadrados and an urban area of 307 kilometers quadrados. The territory where the city sits was formerly a lake. This is evidence with the wetlands that cover some now urbanized sector of the savanna. Average climate in centimeters. The average climate of the city of Bogotá is of 12 to 17 centigrade degrees. A cold day and sun day and rain days. All day is all day. Current situation of education. Approximate number of school, universities, technical school. Bogotá has 49 universities. It has 2,204 schools, including private and district school. Bogotá has in approximate 450 technical and technological institutions. Current situation natural resource, river and other water source, green areas, pollution levels, effect urbanization. Bogotá River, Juan Yellow River, Simón Bolívar Park, National Park. Bogotá River does not currently have the proper care. There is no citizen awareness to care for these natural wells. In Bogotá, they are training to recover the rivers, Bogotá, Tunguelito, Salpeter, Yellow One. The most important green areas in Bogotá are Simón Bolívar Park, Monserrate, Guadalupe, Florida Park, National Park, Tanques. Although the financial resource for their care limited, they have basic maintenance that makes them look good. The most neuralgic points, according to the monitoring maps of the last hour, indicate the station of the southwest, such as Kennedy, Puente Aranda, Sevillana, and Carvajal are those that present are high levels. This, according to the District Department of Environment, is due to the industrial factories and also the trucks, drum trucks, and tractor trucks that enter city through this area and the city. Bogotá grows every day in population and urbanization. This led the big businessmen take advantage of the situation to manufacture more shopping centers. This because they see in Bogotá an economic potential where you can invest, generate employment, and capitalize more the city. Bogotá currently has shopping center and different locations that are designated for el tested and bogus of people. Thanks.